Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're out testing the Patternmaster. This is the Code Black Turkey that I just got my hands on in the Benelli M2. So we're going to test two different types of turkey shot here. We've got the Winchester Long Beard XR and we've got the Remington Nitro Turkey. These are both 3-inch. They are, the Winchester is number 6 shot, 1 3/4 ounce, and the Remington Nitro Turkey is 3-inch, 1 7/8 ounce, number 5 shot. So we've got 6 shot and 5 shot, but I'm not really concerned about the shot size, but I am concerned about the pattern. So we're going to see what pattern's really good. We're shooting from 20 yards and from 40 yards. Where we hunt, our shots probably won't go beyond 40, but I'm just curious to see what this Patternmaster will do. So I think we'll start with the Winchester, 20 and 40. So let's do that, and then we'll move on to the Nitro Turkey. That's a kick.
Yeah.
All right, Remington Nitro. All right, we're back here at the house. So we shot two different ammos. We shot the Winchester Long Beard, this is the XR, and we shot the Remington Nitro Turkey. Now I had called Patternmaster about 2 weeks ago, and I was talking to Chip over at Patternmaster, and he says you're probably most likely going to get your best results with the Winchester. This Longbeard XR is supposed to be great stuff. My brother shoots it, he loves it, and so sure enough, that was the case for sure. Now before I show you the targets, I want to talk a little bit about how Patternmaster accomplished this, because it's different. It's not just constriction. It's not at all. There's more to it than that. So if you look down inside the Patternmaster Code Black Turkey, you'll see there are separating rings. Now there's 3 rings in here that gradually constrict. And every time the wad hits one of those rings, it's going to start separating the shot from the wad while keeping it in a really nice dense pattern. On top of that, they have what they call canoe porting on these, so it can shoot a variety of shot. You know, number 9 tungsten, whatever. Obviously you can't shoot steel out of these. These are lead only. Steel doesn't compress like lead does, so, but that's okay because turkey shots pretty much lead or tungsten either way. So what we did was we went out, we shot at 20 yards and 40 yards. We shot the Winchester and the Remington out of this tube, but we also shot it out of this factory tube here. Now this is just a cheap factory tube, full choke, turkey choke if you will, that one of the guns came with, and the results with the factory choke are almost embarrassing. So let's get down here on the table, take a look at some of the targets we were shooting today, again at 20 and 40 yards, and we'll go through. I've got 6 targets here. Let's take a look here real quick. This first shot here was with the Remington Nitro Turkey at 20 yards. Little bit to the left here, that's okay. Clearly a very dead turkey, and a big shout out again to Birchwood Casey for sending us some of these pre-game targets. I've been buying these for years anyways, but I love how it really shows up in here, all your kill zones. But either way, dead turkey for sure at 20 yards. Now, this is also the Remington at 40 yards. dead turkey, yes, but not very good. Pattern got really spread out at 40 yards. Now every shotgun, you know, every load is going to shoot a little bit different, but either way, dead turkey, yes, not the pattern I'm looking for with the Remington Nitro Turkey. 20 yards with the Winchester. Now this is that Long Beard XR, and that, now I did pull a little bit to the left here, but even pulling to the left a little bit, even if this turkey were to move its head just a little bit this way, done. This thing would have been smoked. Here is 40 yards with that Winchester Long Beard. Massive amount of damage in here. That's a dead bird. What I like about the pattern on this is there's a little forgiveness. Now, my aim point on all of these was actually right about here. My bead was right here. I could have brought that bead down a little bit. That would have shifted this pattern down a little bit. But I'm trying to keep as much out of the body as I can. And this, just a massive amount of damage. I'm really happy with this pattern. Now, if this bird moves its head this way or this way, because they're always bobbing and weaving their heads, this would have been a dead bird in any of this area right here. So, in comparison, let's look at the factory choke at 20 yards. Now, this is the factory choke. This was shot not out of the Benelli, but out of the Stoeger, which isn't probably a true comparison, but it's a good comparison. So the turkey choke with a Stoeger, the factory choke, this was 20 yards. So you can see the difference here. Winchester, Long Beard, factory choke, 20 yards. Each of them 20 yards. Way denser pattern. Granted, I pulled this way, pulled to the left, but a much denser pattern. Now let's look at 40 yards. I really only got one kill shot. You know, I got his beak, but there's one kill shot right here. That's just going through skin. That's probably mostly feathers there. Maybe hit a little meat down here. But 40 yards, factory choke, just not good. Not good at all. So looking over all these targets here, I'm very confident, actually, not pretty. I'm very confident that the Winchester Long Beard XR with the Patternmaster Code Black Turkey is solid. Now, I've done just some comparisons just on my own, not on video, just comparing factory choke tubes to the Patternmasters. I'm real pleased with Patternmaster so far. The canoe porting is good because you can shoot that number 9 tungsten. You can shoot, you know, 4s, 5s, 6s. You can shoot whatever you want. So hats off to Patternmaster on this. I'm very pleased. In fact, hats off. They sent me a hat on my last order I made. So thanks for the hat. So on top of that, we've been testing out these. These are the Tactacam 5.0s, and I'll be honest, I've been putting these things through the paces over the past few weeks, and the footage I'm getting from these is really nice, especially at the price point. I love these things so far. Now, next weekend, August 22nd, 2020, me and the boy, Cody, we're going out. We're shooting a sporting clays competition put on by Ducks Unlimited, and I did order some of the skeet chokes. They're Anaconda style, which we'll do a video separate on those. So ordered 2 of those. They're a very unique design. We're going to go out and shoot this competition on the 22nd, and we will be putting that entire competition up on YouTube also. We probably won't win. I'm just hoping not to lose. We're a little bit out of practice for sure, with so many ranges being closed and not being able to go anywhere and shoot. But so anyways, regardless, we're going to go out and just have a good time. As long as we don't come in last, I'll be pretty happy. And then September 1st, our season opens around here for, you know, grouse, some different animals. So September 1st, you'll be seeing some hunting footage. We're going to be capturing not only the competition for the Ducks Unlimited on the Tactacam, GoPros, regular cameras. We'll be shooting some different pattern masters out there, but we're also going to start putting up a lot of hunting content, and that is all starting between the 22nd and the 1st of September. So anyways, without making this terribly long, thanks for watching, and good to be back in the saddle. We'll see you soon.